Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up, first and foremost. Awolande with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. We are going to talk about with the description of the video. Say like and comment. So we are kick it off like this, viewers, because you don't know everything fresh. So Popcaan feel like he might get targeted by police in St. Thomas that are where him from. So with that said, that make him feel like him deep want keep and roll his face again at St. Thomas. You see it? So he must say he might just breathe St. Thomas for him own good, and him hope the people them can understand what going on and see with him end of the day. See it? So what really going on is that police checks the entertainer. Police search did go on, traffic did go on between some I think it was traffic convoy where my black up traffic. Yeah. So them end up searching and them realize say, oh, them him not a driver's license, so them have carried out insurance coverage, them a drive bike without no helmet, no side mirror. You see me? So enough local obstacles did in it, and I just with a particular person. Is it? I just for them look at something the end of the day. Is it? So I'm good. As I say, viewers, everything fresh in another video here today. So Attomatic, that is a producer of 6, probably a member of the 6 gang too. You see me? So right now, Attomatic, whose name is Atto Wallace, is aligned to dancehall group 6, like I'm telling you. Right now, I'm on bail for 2 different type of charges. Them wall him with coke, and it look like him on a conspiracy for exporting coke. So that's what them say basically. You see it, they don't know them with pinpoint anything upon anybody, but we never know this are going, viewers and subscribers. More the mind sharp in bust that case the end of the day. We don't know that go, because we get no fight both your people. All if I know him, then we fling it upon him. Oh my son, tell me oh my son. Like a lot of weird things happen from what he is. So certain thing not able to surprise me, guys. But there I'm just inform you know what go on. If you don't feel updated, and you can leave a comment, cause you know the style. So viewers, if you still watch the picture here, I should say circulated the internet with a couple getting married, and them have some highly powered weapons in them on, and I mean for we it kind of new as a Jamaican, but actually police them at Jamaica said them are investigated. Is it? So we just wait for see what go on, cause people can spot 2 police actually behind in the picture. Is it? So far so good. It have some kind of legislative way give them authority in the day. So at the breed though, is the information we're given. So and the idea we just don't want to see Mr. and Mrs. Smith something still, just imagine one argument and look upon them fire upon them. Well, hopefully them are secure them one another. So the love is real though. Yeah, and viewers and subscribers, subscribe if you not subscribe yet, cause remember say just get in the video. Is it simple? So down there have something for making people them know, cause you don't know this are the poor people government. Is it?
Morning, Antonio. How are you, sweetheart?
I'm fine.
Give God thanks. I just love you, girl. I
love you too.
I love what you're doing.
Yes.
Just faith. I know it's hard. I know. I've never been in your shoes, but just to look at the comments.
Yes.
Things that they talk about you, knowing that you're doing it from your heart. You didn't have to
Not
do
pay
it.
them no mind.
Put it in your heart to do it. You just have to do it. So I'm encouraging you from day one.
All right.
I'm there for you. Continue. I will send another donation. But as soon as you know.
Yeah, man. Just pick up yourself when you're ready. No rush.
All right. Continue to do what you're doing and say hi to Natalie for me, because my name is Natalie as well.
All right, I will tell her.
Okay then. Bye. Have a blessed day, girl.
Yeah, man. Bless. Yeah, remember, anybody want for paper and kiss Miss Andrea? Get a new man for make cupboard. I'm not him make my kitchen cupboard when I just put up and it bad, so I ask her if he come make the man make Trishana a cupboard like in our kitchen. So I don't know where the money I come from, but I just want done with Kishana in the next 2 weeks. Done. Grill her up, furniture out, And I eat that. And everything. So I tell the man to come measure up the cupboard. So Tishana people them me I make we come and make we just done up and have a little open up ceremony. For Tishana, a little pray out and put in Tishana in our house. You understand? So we have bill and the hard way for Tishana. I don't know how much. I beg you, no, please anybody can just call Miss Debbie. Crystal, if you're there, you put up Miss Debbie number. What Phoebe? Call Tina for me. Yeah. Tommy, where you say them no? Yeah, you know, you say everybody now no bottom, no foot, no hand, no head. Everybody. Maybe now this a call this a phone me. We don't give this a phone at 20 anybody. Hello?
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Huh?
Who are you?
Who are you? Who you want to talk to, Yax?
How are you?
Oh, how are you? I am fine.
Alright.
One lady says, eh?
The man I told about email, get email or something. She sent email to you. In the car,
I can't talk to that somebody that I don't know that number there. Yes, ma'am, what you say?
I have some chicken and I'm asking for the coffee for them. I want
I'm get it from here, so.
One lady up on the line says she have. What is your name? Where you calling from? Paula, put your phone on silence like me, you know.
I get up, me, I'm going to go lie down. So
Yeah, she says she gonna lie down. Hey! Murder! Yo, we have to come call the people them. Me I come off in the next half minute. Where you say, ma'am?
I'm calling from Clarendon here.
Clarendon, one lady at Clarendon says she beg 2 bags of feeding. Oh, you go get that, ma'am?
I don't know, Miss Dana.
Tommy Fear. People like this, I want you reach out to her for me. Because you know people all live in every parish of Jamaica. Tommy Fear say if you...
To the coroner, I'm raising some chicken now.
And you can't find feeding.
I run out of local feeding, yes. That's all I want, local feeding.
So much your bag of feeding?
$2,000.
Alright, so one look at 5 bag of feeding with that deal well. You know any fall feeding down at fall pen, you know? Any place down there we sell it feeding?
Yes, Miss Nana.
No, I'm not get back to CVM yet. I soon call them. I'm not ready for no interview or nothing yet. Or nothing yet. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
alright. I hear them. You're somebody who always call me because I know that blouse you have on.
Yeah.
So when I can always call on my phone, so.
Yes, I call you already and pick up your yes.
No, you call me more about big up already because I see your number. You always bother me. I know your blouse because you not change your WhatsApp picture. Alright, hang up, me get back to you.
Alright,
Tommy Fear, call me there. Anybody here, Tommy say if you can help the lady buy 5 bag of fall feeding? Eh? Alright, somebody said then we buy the chicken feeding. Alright, you no link up Tommy no? Tommy call me. Because I no ties down at Clarendon or no affiliation down there. I don't know where down there, I don't know how, if you don't want the lady number or what, you know, or what. I don't know. When Tommy call me up on the 56 number. Paula, give me 2 seconds there. Alright, Tommy, here you go. I know no life, no miss you. Yeah.
hello?
Yes, Tommy. You know you have all kind of FBI.
So I can call you whenever I want to. How
Yeah,
are you?
I'm alright, eh? So, Tommy, me have a lady I will just call in from Clarendon. She say,
You're the lady not there.
yeah, you know anybody down at them place there?
We can work things out.
Oh,
just need to
I don't there carry on. Alright, one lady just messaged me. Say she want buy her the feeding. So me I go give the lady your number. And we can, oh yes, carry on down there can video it for true. Cause I guess what happened now.
She's in Mandeville. Yeah.
And then it's not nearby.
Yeah, Mandeville near to Tarna, but I don't know the distance to there. But yeah, you can probably ask her to do it.
And them kind of people that me want help. No, me tired of town young people that me sit down and I want do no work and I look money. And I look stretch out. You know, in that again. We I look people watch, I help people watch, try something. Hold on the time, me don't want the lady number come off my screen because the phone is ring like right now me dey on it with the and it a ring. So me have her number. Anybody would love to donate some feed. Because you can get around 20 bag of feed for server, you know. So you can go in the WhatsApp group and tell Tammy so you buy her the feed. So Tammy, me I go send you her number.
They have to inbox it on Facebook. And just to clarify, regarding Diana, the internet bill has not been paid as yet. I tried to pay it online, but it was coming up with an error. When I got in touch with Flo, they said because her line has been disconnected, she has to go into the store to discuss it with them. But she's got exams, I think yesterday and today, so she won't be able to go until tomorrow.
Okay, so her line disconnect. Boy, some people really have life hard car. Internet bill I just for like 5,000 and 6,000 me pay a month, you know. I never pay 5,000, 6,000, 5,000 something. Why me nah lie? I Digicel and if you know the pay me have someone's Digicel.
Yes, then I'm not hearing you.
Hold on Tommy, let me go back for you. You know from when me apply a Digicel, from me I work at ATL to get one Digicel more them sitting come here. I know me here send a space no that Mountain View. I don't know what kind of come. And when you say every minute you say through I walk up and down at your space. Hello?
Right.
Yeah.
But,
Because Digicel.
anyway, so if people want to help the lady in there, just inbox me and we can get something started.
Alright, bless up.
Okay.
Alright, nobody with the begging spree this morning, yeah. Do anybody else call about begging me, I hang up.